Why does your scanner show the P2402 engine code? What does it mean? P2402 is a diagnostic trouble code for evap leak detection pump control circuit high. It indicates that the ECM has detected a high-voltage signal return in the evaporative emission system leak detection pump control circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty leak detection pump. Faulty evap leak detection pump circuit wiring. Clogged or damaged vapor canister. Vacuum leaks. Faulty purge control solenoid. Blown fuse to the pump power relay. Shorted wire harness. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Audi, Volkswagen, Honda, Mercedes, BMW, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.